Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on Show Audio Transcriptions and what it does on the iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what you want to do is to open Settings, swipe down, tap on Accessibility, swipe down again, tap on Subtitles and Captioning, and here you can turn on the Show Audio Transcriptions, and what it does, that it is going to show audio transcriptions for announcements from the HomePod. So it is only going to work with the HomePod, and if you turn this on, you need to enable dictation. So just click Enable Dictation, and here this is how you can turn on the Show Audio Transcriptions from the HomePod on iPhone. And to turn this feature off, just turn it off. And once you click to enable dictation, this is not going to ask you for the dictation because you have enabled it to the whole system. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.